Hello everyone! Today I will share my personal opinion about some of the best inflatable water slides. For the price and more information, click the link in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which water slide for adults are you using right now? And what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments. Your support will help to keep me running, so please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Little Tikes River Race Water Slide. The Little Tikes River Race Inflatable Slide is the ultimate inflatable water slide. It's feature-packed with not one but two slides, meaning kids can race each other for endless hours of fun. This Little Tikes inflatable slide also features a climbing wall, along with a surprise dump bucket that pours water down on kids climbing the wall. The splash pool at the foot of the slides is spacious enough for kids to play in while others slide down. While the recommended age group for this inflatable water slide is 3 to 10 years, children younger than that would be able to enjoy the splash pool as well, but you should constantly supervise them. For those slightly colder days, or even in the winter months, the splash pool can easily be used as a ball pond instead. Bring the fun indoors and set it up in your basement for hours of fun year-round. Number 2. BounceOn JumpNSplash Adventure. The BounceOn JumpNSplash Adventure combine an inflatable slide with a bounce house to the fun. Added to that, the BounceOn features a climbing wall to access the slide from the bounce house, along with an inflatable basketball hoop. Another great year-round playset, the BounceOn JumpNSplash Adventure can be used with water for those hot summer days or kept dry for those cooler autumn and spring days. It's suitable for both indoor as well as outdoor use. The large splash pool allows children to play undisturbed by those coming down the slide. This is particularly useful if you have smaller children playing alongside older kids. BounceOn recommends this product suitable for children ages 3 to 8 years, with a maximum of 3 kids, 300 L on it at one time. If durability is what you're after, they made the JumpNSplash Adventure of laminated Oxford Turleen, a commercial-grade flooring that provides more bounce. It's also puncture-proof, with quadruple stitching along the seams. Number 3. Bestway Tsunami Wave Summit Inflatable Water Park. Jam-packed with features, the Bestway Tsunami Wave Summit Inflatable Water Park will provide hours of fun for your kids. The dual slide feature lets kids race each other, while the splash pool area features a basketball hoop, waterfall tunnel, and water cannon. Added to the fun, a dump bucket at the top drops water to keep the slide wet and extra slippery. The Bestway Tsunami Wave Summit is suitable for kids aged 3 months to 8 years and is designed for outdoor use. It's made of durable PVC-coated polyester and takes just less than 3 minutes to inflate with the 110-1200V blower included in the box. The deck tower features mesh walls, while the climbing wall offers both hand grips and footholds, providing extra safety to the inflatable. The dual slides feature inflatable safety rails and soft water-filled cushions at the foot, providing a soft landing. Soak up the sun and the water as your children can scale the rock climbing wall, slide down the water slide, play water basketball, or shoot water blasters at each other. Number 4. ThisWay H2OGO. Mount Splashmore. Essentially a simpler version of the Tsunami Wave Summit, the ThisWay H2OGO. Mount Splashmore features just a single inflatable water slide and some of the same fun features, including the splash pool, climbing wall, and water cannon. They designed the Mount Splashmore for kids aged 5 to 10 years, with a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds. The inflatable measures a large 14 feet in length, 9 feet in width, and 9 feet in height. It inflates even faster than the previous model, inflating in just 2 minutes. The 120V blower is included in the box, along with a storage bag and ground stakes. Similar to the Tsunami Wave Summit, the Mount Splashmore also features mesh walls at the deck tower. The Mount Splashmore also features hand grips and footholds on the climbing wall for additional safety. Unlike the other model, this inflatable water slide descends straight into the water of the splash pool. Kids can scale the climbing wall, slip down the slide, get drenched by the surprise soak bucket, splash in the splash pool, and spray water with the water blaster. Number 5. BlastZone Pirate Bay. If you're looking for an inflatable water slide with a bit more, then the BlastZone Pirate Bay is what you need. Not only does it feature a slide, but a very spacious splash pool, 2 spray cannons, as well as a crawl tunnel leading to a bounce house. As the name suggests, the BlastZone Pirate Bay is a fun pirate-themed inflatable water slide. Imaginative play is an integral part of child development, and this water slide lets your child transform their backyard into their very own fantasy pirate world. Ahoy me hearties! Made to last, the BlastZone Pirate Bay is made with commercial-grade vinyl. In the box, You'll receive the inflatable water slide, blower, storage straps, and instructions. Setup is a breeze, taking less than 2 minutes to inflate fully. Filling it with water takes between 1 and 2 hours. BlastZone recommends a maximum of 5 kids playing simultaneously, 2 on the slide and 3 in the pool. It's suitable for toddlers and children aged between 36 months and 12 years. Thank you for watching this video. To get more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.